Hi friends, it's Auntie Cuckoo. I am out and about again, so you know what that means. Let's go shopping. So it looks like the Target dollar spot near me has gotten out some new things, so I thought I would show you guys what I'm finding in my new Target dollar spot in Texas. They have some beautiful glass pieces coming out. So this is a glass decanter with a clear glass lid for $5. I think this is gorgeous. I would definitely try and upscale it in a bathroom, maybe use it for some mouthwash. They also have the cocktail shakers with gold lids for $5. I'm also finding these glass lanterns in 3 different colors, a blue, an amber, and this almost coral color. They do have specs on them and they are $5 a piece. They all have gold handles. And at this store, I'm finding a ton of these little miniature picnic baskets. So I think the round part is interesting. That would be great for maybe some silverware, maybe a bottle of a beverage. They are $5 a piece. Now the square section isn't quite big enough for some plates, so maybe just a snack version of a picnic basket. I'm also starting to find these little shelves. So I thought they would be $5, but I was pleasantly surprised that they were $3 a piece, and I'm finding it in these 2 versions. Now the inside of this one is sort of a green meets gray color, and then again the other one with the white. I'm also finding some new dish towels that are $3 a piece. Easy peasy lemon squeezy in this one, and everything tastes better when you make it together. They definitely go along with the whole picnic basket thing. They're also putting out some new pillows for $5 a piece. I am finding 2 different versions. This one in the blue tie-dye with the pom-pom fringe has a blue backing, and it coordinates quite well with something I'm starting to find. These little ceramic cheese servers or cheese plates. Now I did see on Instagram they have a few different versions. At my store they've only got the blue one and they are $5 a piece. I'm also finding these little, I'm going to call them miniature magazine racks. They definitely are great for organization. You could use this for letters, magazines, files, all kinds of uses. If they were a little smaller, I think you could even use them for napkins, and those are $5 a piece. And that is the same price point for this organizer. Now I have seen in other stores that they also have it in a white version. Lots of organization for the home office, like these combo phone pencil holders for $5 and these little desktop organizers. Now they are quite long. They're definitely long enough to fit a keyboard underneath so you can maximize your desktop surface. It does come in this blonde wood, and I'm also finding it in a white version. Both of them are $5 a piece. I'm also starting to see some planners out for 2021. These would be great for back to school, teachers, that sort of thing. So they are $3 a piece. Here's a look at the back so you can see what you get. And they also have these desktop calendars. I think these are a great little option for $3. They also have an organization drawer, perfect little pen holder, and a place to put those paper clips, and some new chalkboards. So they have it in a couple of shapes. They do have a little wooden ledge and come with a piece of chalk, and those are $5 a piece. And for those of us that like a little hot beverage to help us with motivation in the morning, they are putting out some new glass mugs. This one in Girl Boss with the gold letters. They're all $3 a piece. Cup of Ambition. If you know where that comes from, comment down below. They also have Motivation Juice, and this one that did come home with me, Rise and Grind. Now to go with those mugs, they're also putting out some $5 mug warmers that you can use with your USB cable to keep your beverage warm. I'm also finding some cute little glass jars for $3 a piece. These in the pink, and then they have a taller version with an etched glass surface in blue. And speaking of blue, they also have some string lights out. Those definitely have a marbled look to them. Some miniature silicone glasses. These are teeny tiny. I'm finding them in the pink, in the blue, yellow, and even a white speckled version. And they also have out some drink mix grow your own kits. Also some new candles in terracotta pots. These are $3 a piece. And now on to some more organization with school around the corner and dorm buying. I am finding these nice big bins for $5 a piece in the dark gray and the white. Went back and they were gone. I should have picked them up when I was looking. They also have these little organizing baskets. Now these could be used for a number of ways. One way I'm envisioning is probably a little basket for taking to the shower. If you do live in a dorm, they do come with little dividers. They're $5 a piece and come in the gray and the white. They also have these little sets of 2 organizing bins. So far I'm finding it in the gray. Probably going to come out in maybe another color and white pretty soon. So you do get 2 and they are connectable for $5 a piece. These would be great maybe under a sink or on desktop for organization, maybe even some books in a classroom and some wall pockets. These are definitely more aimed at the kitchen and bath in my opinion. They are heavy plastic and come in the white and gray. They do have a drain at the bottom if you choose to use them in the shower. You can link them for storage and they come with 2 metal hooks. Speaking of organization in the bathroom, they're also putting out these makeup organizers for $3 a piece in the white and gray. So you have storage on 2 levels. And they're also putting out these crates. So for $5 a piece, it's a assemble your own crate for storage in gray and white. And some really cute little DIY kits. They have this one with the nail head and string for $3. They also have it in this little sign that says family with some clips for photos. And over in the Target dollar section, I found one more version in a pale blonde wood in a heart. I'm also finding these little planters. Oh, these are so cute. It is a DIY kit and it does have a drain at the bottom. I'm finding it in the terracotta as well as the white, and they do come with stickers. You could definitely throw some pins, makeup brushes, or a plant in there. Something new that is out for $5 are these wireless charging pads. I think this is really fascinating. It's a mouse pad. It comes with the cable. Basically, you can use it to charge devices. I would love to know if you got one and if it works. They're also putting out some beautiful document envelopes. These definitely have the hearth and hand look to them. They are also putting out a little portfolio notepad. Those are great buys for just $3. And also for the desk, they have the large black metal paper clip standing, perfect for mail organization, as is the little letter style letter holder. And now to some school stuff. They're putting out the boards already. I don't know about you, but my kids do not want to see the first day of school signs yet, but they are hitting the shelves. Something else that I think is really fun are these little $5 stools. They come in black, blue, and red. Also for $5, I'm finding these lap trays in a few different colors. And the mesh organizers are back. So far I'm finding it in the blue, black, red, and white. They are $5 a piece and great for all kinds of organization. And also in their mesh organization, they're putting out pink this year. I love that they're doing that. So this is actually a set of 4 mesh organizers. The bottom one is the largest. They also come with a square and then 2 smaller pieces. Not a bad buy for $5. For $3, they brought back the organization caddies. I love that they did it in black. This year, I'm also finding some of these plastic containers in clear. I think those are great options for color neutral classroom organization. They also have all kinds of bins in different shapes and sizes, from book size to these larger trays that I've seen used for turning in papers and homework. They also have these really nice, I'm calling them book bins. They come in pink. They do have an area for the dividers. I'm not sure if you have to buy the dividers separately. Maybe they're actually taped onto the bottom and I just missed it. But I love the fact that they're doing some black, some white, some clear, and pink this year. I think these bins are going to go really quick because I know teachers are itching to get organized. They also have a few fun signs out for birthdays and some crafty items. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me to take a sneak peek at the Target Dollar Spot. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.